Yung totoo, nasa toilet bowl ako. Actually, kaka-dinner ko lang, okey. Sarap ng dinner ko. Paksiw na pampana. Oh, 'di ba ang rich niya 'no, ang taba. Anyway, yesterday, I had a download, okey. Ngayon ko lang siya naisipan i-record ulit. Okey, teka lang, make sure lang hindi kita yung puwet ko. Yes, anyway, ang download ko is I thought about my grandma. Okay, she passed away years ago. And I regret it. Iniyakan ko yun. Kasi hindi ako nakadalaw sa weight niya, sa burol niya. Actually, nalibing siya, wala ako. Kasi natatakot ako that time na mag-absent. Kaka-transfer ko lang ng Cebu. I was relocated there when I was working in the airline as a flight attendant. Every time maiisip ko siya, or minsan pumapasok siya sa panaginip ko. Sabi ko, I wish I did my best for you. I wish I have loved you more. Pero alam mo yung download ko, intuition ko, I felt like she's communicating with me. Sabi niya, that happened, it wasn't your choice, nasa work ka. Don't worry, I'm okay. Now this is the challenge for you. Ito yung tumatak sa akin. How big can you love? How big can you love yourself to rise? To live fully na hindi ko kinaya, hindi na kinaya ng mga na magulang ko, lolo ko, kanununuan natin. I felt like it's a mission. I feel like she's telling me, how big can you love? How big can you love yourself fully na hindi nagawa ng past generation? How big can you love? How can you turn things around? That feels like a generational curse breaker, huh? That's all. Yun lang. Bye-bye.